Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first trading day of the new year. It's Tuesday, January the 2nd, 2018. So, Happy New Year, everybody. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of this particular webinar. Not really a webinar, just a recap of the trading room for the day. We call it the live trading room recap. And of course, it is for the first day, January the 2nd, Tuesday. So, if you have any questions for me, this is the email you can use. This is a link to get into our trading room. It is a free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to join the room. This is a link for the for a subscription, and we still do have the 22% off promo code. Probably good till 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. And I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at 9:05. All right. Let's see. Just 1 second, please. Okay. Okay, CASA Systems. So this is the one basically made my day. Friday, if you're in the room, you know that I was really late on this one. I've been waiting for a 16 break for a while, and I just missed this huge move up. And so as I was watching it late Friday, the way it was kind of consolidating around here, I decided to take this. I took it right here at 1720 and held it. And then it had a nice little move at the end of the day and a beautiful move today. So I'm still in it, but I have sold some at 1881. Basically right about here. This is a fairly recent IPO, so I'm still kind of holding out to see if it can recover and move a little bit further up. I missed this pop, of course, up here. I would have loved to have sold some up here, but I kind of missed it. And anyway, this is what I did. This has kind of made my day today. CRISPR wasn't too bad. This again, I saw this in the pre-market. Take a look at the time frame here on the daily chart. See, had a very nice day on Friday. It sold off a little bit, but I wanted to watch it if it took out the high here. So that's what it did. It took out the high on the Friday's high. You know, I like to play. I like to play the ones that are just over the whole number. And so I got into this one right about here. Sorry, right about here. 2620. 2620. So it was right about here. And it had a nice little move all the way up here. I didn't sell, unfortunately, right at the top. I got some out at 26.42 on the way up and 26.95 on the way down. And now I'm just kind of watching it to see if it can, hold this area. This was a lifetime high right here, so definitely a very, very strong stock. I am just before I took or started this my recap here. I got into Riot. Right here at 27.15. Yeah, nice little move. Got into it right here. This is obviously, it can be a very whippy one, a lot of emotion in this one. So the minute it popped up, I sold some at 20, where did I get it at? 27.26. I mean, no great shakes, but I just wanted to make sure that I got some profit. I didn't want to see it just collapse on me. And now we'll have to see. It looks reasonably strong, and if I can attack up to that 28 area, I'll be pretty happy. So I still have this one. I also still have SGH. Why do I have SGH? Let's take a look at the daily chart. And you can see this little pullback here, and I had set an alert. I set alert right there. And, it can try to attack this void. Maybe a little bit of a shelf there, 36.78. But if it can even break through that, I mean, look at the void. I mean, we've got maybe $5, $6. So, again, when I say that, I'm not saying it's going to happen. But certainly, I love to look at charts that, or like to trade charts that look like this on the daily chart. So, actually, I got into this one earlier. Got into this one at 35.52 earlier. Right, probably was right about there. And then I got taken out for a 20-cent loss. I got back into it. And I got back into it at 35.54. So it's basically where I bought it. So we'll have to see what happens. My idea is that it would hold this area, maybe move up a little higher, and I might swing it. And yeah, that is about it. I just want to, I did take MYL from Holly. I got stopped out for a 4-cent loss, so it is sort of moved back. The alert was right there at 42.91. I let it break the whole number, but I did take a 4-cent loss on it. That's about it. A little bit quiet for the first day of the new year, but certainly the Casa trade. Okay, we're starting to get. Sorry about that. Usually I exit Skype before I. Let me just quit Skype. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we'll have to see what happens with this one. I might be inclined to take it again if it gets up to 43.34. But right now, I'm in the SGH and the Riot. I mean, I can really cross my fingers on this one. If it can get a little bit of activity in it, it might even get up to close to that 28 level. It had a nice little pop in the pre-market. But these cryptos are really all over the place right now. All right, everybody. Well, that's the first one for the new year. Got that under my belt. And again, I hope everybody had a great new year. I know I did. Looking forward, lots of really interesting things happening at Trade Ideas, I think, in this coming year. We had a lot of interesting things last year. I expect more of the same. So let me just get the capture program here. So again, if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is the link to get into the free room. And again, take a look at the body of this email that gets sent to you. The code will be there. It'll be for 22% off. It's Celebrate 2018, all in capital letters. And it should be good until 11:59 tonight, Eastern Standard Time. And I will open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at 9:05. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.